Come with us as we go to Judicial Tour. I'm with my two Ate Angke, and Ate Mel. And here we are, late na sa aming tour. Decided na sumakay na lang. Pero parang mas mabilis pa ata kami kung naglakad kami. Dahil mabagal yung nagpapadyak. At dahil nga late kami, itutuloy naglalakad kami at hinahanap kung nasaan na sila. Finally here, nahanap na namin sila at nag-start na pala ang tour. At ang first stop ay ang The Fort Santiago. We're entering the Dambana ni Rizal. And here we are, naglalakad papasok. Videos are not allowed kaya kinat na namin bago kami tuluyang makapasok. Dahil hindi nga masyadong allowed ang pagtitake ng videos at pictures with flash, here are some pictures that I took inside the Dambana ni Rizal. Next stop is the Arroyo Building. Pero hindi ako nakapag-take ng video. Pero nasa labas din lang kami ng building na dati palang building ng NBI. Pero ngayon ay Comelec na. And here we are, walking and going to our next stop, which is the Plaza Roma. Here are the Church of San Agustin in Intramuros. And now guys, as we are heading sa pinaka-last stop ng tour, ay sasakay kami ng bus papuntang Ermita kung saan located ang Old and New Supreme Court. Come with us sa Supreme Court!
Okay, now we proceed. Here, just follow Mr. Chan. A point of interest. Did you know that we have the original sign?
And we are here sa new building ng Supreme Court. Yay! Gaya ng ginawa namin sa Dambana ni Rizal, ay may short briefing din sa loob ng Supreme Court, which is in the new building and the old building. And here are some clips. And now we are entering the conference room in Supreme Court. And ito ang view sa taas. And bye-bye!
KFC, McDo. Ano, tara.